Disabling two-factor authentication on your BNP Paribas account can be done easily by following a few steps. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BNP Paribas website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Security Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your security preferences. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the section for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA two-step verification or similar. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. Review your security settings to ensure everything is as you want it. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your BNP Paribas account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.